Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mr. Engineer YouTube channel. Today we will talk about what is electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the study and applications of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It involves the design, development, and maintenance of electrical systems and devices such as motors, generators, power system, lighting systems, and electronic devices. Electrical engineers work on a wide range of projects, including the design and development of new technologies, the improvement of existing electrical systems, and the resolution of technical problems. They also play a crucial role in generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical energy. That's all about what is electrical engineering. If you want to more videos like this, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel.